it's me again, Val. Did you get scared with that intro? I'm sorry. But yes, with that intro, you already know what we're going to do in this video. This is gonna be another recreation of a Halloween makeup look, and we'll see if it's really that easy to recreate that look. And this is gonna be the scary clown. I think it's still that simple. There's not much colors involved. So without further ado, let's see if I can pull this off. All right, so I don't have a very pale color of a foundation. So what I did is I just mixed my foundation to a very light concealer, or a face paint will do. Okay, so this is it. I kind of just mix that one, and let's start with the application. So ayan guys, so we're just going to apply this all over our face. I think medyo nakukulangan ako sa pagka-pale ng mukha ko. So I am just going to use my, I think this is Maybelline. Yeah, Maybelline Master Concealer. And this is the shade Light. And of course guys, you do have an option na kung gusto nyo pa ng mas maputi, go for it. And ayan guys, so before we proceed, I'm just going to set my makeup with Maybelline Fit Me. And then I am just going to use this shade as my base or my transition color. And I am just going to use this brush, and this is going to be all over our lid. Yan. Now that you have a transition color, what we're going to do is just grab a darker shade of purple, or any color will do. If you like blue, you can also use that. But for this look, the person actually used a magenta purple kind of shade. So I am just going to use my Pure Midnight Masquerade and this one. And then what I'm going to do is just grab a darker violet kind of color, and I am using this Hangover shade here. Just to blend it out para wala namang masyadong harsh lines. Akala mo galing sa makeup, you know guys. There you go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm also going to apply that same shade on our lower lids. Okay. And now we're going to use the same brush. There you go. And just pick up the darker purple and just smoke it out. And what I'm going to do is just kind of lower it a little bit more than usual. Yeah. And same thing on here. Just proceed with the black. And just go ahead and just smudge it there. Of course, if you're going to make it darker, it's gonna be more dramatic. So we're just going to put a liner, and I am using the Makeup Forever Aqua XL eye pencil in the shade black. And thereafter I actually placed the eyeliner, what we're going to do is the dramatic effect on the eye of the clown. Ayan, parang buntot lang siya ng isda, guys. And then let's draw a circle. We'll just use this. Same thing, the black shade. Then I'm just going to smudge it out. Then we are just going to create that kind of clowny effect, and I'm just going to use an eyeliner pencil, eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. It's kind of like that. You can make one a little bit longer, that's fine. So now what I'm going to do, so that I can just define the color, I'm just using the e.l.f. gel, and I'm just using this definer brush, and again just intensify the colors of black. Then of course we're not gonna forget about the nose. It's just gonna be like a kind of like a big circle there in the middle, nothing too complicated. Yan. And then what we're going to do is just put a little bit of a white color. I'm just grabbing a white color there. And of course, to top that one off, you can just put a darker lipstick. And I am using the, I think this is the Wet n Wild. Yeah, Wet n Wild Vamp It Up. Use this brush. Just gonna put it somewhere on the sides. And of course, we're not gonna forget about our blusher. And I'm just using a darker purple, kind of. Just kind of like do that. With that blusher, this one, and this is the shade Reveal. guys. So I really hope you will also try this look. I mean, for somebody like me who is not that good with makeup, I was able to actually do it. I'm pretty sure you guys will also be able to pull it off. All right, good luck with this one, you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. And of course, for those of you who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button at the bottom, and of course the notification bell beside it, so that you get notified every time I make a new video. Leave me some comments down below as well, guys, so that I know what you think about this scary clown makeup. Ayan. So good luck sa akin sa pag-alis ng makeup na to. Thank you guys. Bye!